Smothered pork chops are a really quick, easy thing to do. I've got 4 here, and they're center cut. I'm actually allergic to this. I'm allergic to pork and beef, and my husband, he tends to cook around me, and he doesn't eat a lot of pork here at the house. So this is really a treat for him. And what I'm doing is tenderizing them. I like to do that. You don't have to. First of all, I'm going to wash my hands real quick, but I do like to keep my hands clean. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray my crock pot with some Pam. The reason I do that is I don't like it sticking to the sides. I know they make those bags that you can put in it. I don't like the bags because I feel like I'm eating plastic. So if you'll spray it with Pam, it's a lot better and it doesn't stick as bad. So I'm gonna lay the pork chops in the bottom. This is so simple, guys. You can do this. Okay, and I'm gonna get this board out of the way. Clean that up later. And what I'm going to do, put in here, this is so simple. I'm going to do a can of cream of chicken, a can of cream of mushroom. You can put this together before you go to work. I used to make this recipe when my kids were young, and it's super easy. You can cook it on low for 8 hours, but this I'm just going to cook 4 hours on high. And those pork chops are so tender when you get them out. Now, I do about a half of a big onion or a whole small onion. So I have a whole small onion that I've already diced up, and I'm going to just sprinkle that in there. Okay, and then next I'm going to take a teaspoon of paprika, and I don't really measure stuff, so I'm going to pepper that. I like a lot of pepper. You may not. That's optional, actually. You can do different things with this. Some people put mushrooms in it. I don't have any mushrooms, so I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of garlic. Okay, and then I'm going to do about let's do 2/3 of the chicken broth. I'm just guessing. Normally I would throw this together. I haven't made it in a while, but we're going to do that. And then I have some more onions that I kind of just wanted to make it pretty and just lay them around on top. So I cut them in like you would for a hamburger, in just circles. And I'm just going to lay that around to make it pretty there. And that's basically it. And then we're just going to turn that on high. Maybe I'll add a little bit more pepper. You can salt it if you want, but there's already salt in here. So I try not to over salt. And we're going to put that on high. And we're going to cook that for 4 hours. So for all you ladies out there who work really hard, you can do this in the morning. You could even put it together at nighttime and put it in the refrigerator and then get it out. It's really a super easy recipe. I can't have any of it because I'm allergic to it, but I'm so excited to actually be able to cook something for my husband that he'll enjoy. He's such a great guy.